Hey folks, Eads to RC. Back at it with the Mini Z clone. I bought some alleged oil shocks from AliExpress, but they didn't freaking come out to be oil. I would say explicit words, but I'm gonna try to behave myself. They weren't oil shocks, but they are very nice, high quality aluminum. I did put some Atomic 25K grease in them, and it definitely helped with the dampening. To my surprise, they're a little bit longer than the originals, so there's more flex. So that's a nice surprise. Also upgraded the tires to the Mini Z original interco ones. I heard great things that these are super soft, and in fact, they're super squishy. I don't know about the tread pattern. Really close tread pattern like this doesn't do so well on my course, but let's give it a whirl and see if it's made an improvement on the crawling before it throws down, because it looks like it's about to rain like a mofo. This morning the track was damp, so we didn't get good results, so let's try to do it with the track is dry. First challenge is usually this little bit here. All of my cars get stuck there. Let's get it a little closer, let you see. Usually I have to do a little bit of a run up, but it did it just fine. The grip seems to be better than the stock. Still is top heavy, huh? Let's see if I could try to swing it around. Perfect. So we made it up on the first try. That's great. Round two, let's try this section. This is my second section. A little bit more aggressive and a little bit harder. Let's see if we can do it all this in one shot. Sorry for the shitty camera movement, but let's try that. See how she does. I've got some RC four-wheel drive 43 millimeter tires coming. This has right now, the stocks are 39 millimeter, the stock interco. Seems to have good grip in the beginning. It's getting hung up on the place where I thought it would. There's like a little bit of a hump there. See, kind of a little bit of hump, that little rock, it's kind of hard to get over. But let's see if I can get it to jump over that. I think clearance is an issue with these tires because they're so low, 39 millimeter height. I think it's high centered. Yeah, it is high centered. Well, that did. All right, let's get you past this little piece. The definitely need taller tires. The grip is good on these tires, but the height is not. Boom. Let's do one last try on this side. I would say right now, the grip on these is a little better than the stock, but the stock gets the win because they're a little bit taller. They're about 41, 42 millimeters tall. These are only 39. So despite them being softer, the height is killing me. All right, let's do the last section. I'm trying to do this in one shot. Forgive the shoddiness of the work here. Let's see if we can get this thing. All right, this is the last. It's kind of like a trail that kind of goes up. Should make it up pretty easily, but let's just see if it's okay. Definitely the grip is better on when it's like smoother. It walks right up a lot easier than than the stalkers. Overall, for the money, I wouldn't recommend upgrading to the original interco Kyoshos. You know, for I would say $27, you can get a set of these on eBay right now. I would just get something taller, like an RC 4-wheel drive 0.7. I wanted the 0.7 look because I wanted the scale look, but yeah, that's the conclusion there. Till next time, folks.